Hi everyone, I'm Miss Katie from Rockland Public Library and welcome to Baby Time. Let's start off by waking up our feet. Where are your feet? Here's my foot. Where's yours? Are you ready to give it a wiggle? Here we go. Wake up feet, wake up feet, wake up feet and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up feet, wake up feet. Wake up feet in the morning. Good job, everyone. How about your hands? Can you find your hands? There they are. Wake up hands, wake up hands, wake up hands and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up hands, wake up hands, wake up hands in the morning. Great job, everyone. Now let's find our ears. Where are your ears? Are they on the side of your head right here? Yeah, there they are. Wake up ears, wake up ears, wake up ears and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up ears, wake up ears, wake up ears in the morning. Excellent, everyone. Now let's find our tummy. Can you find your tummy and give it a tickle? Here's my tummy. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Here we go. Wake up tummy, wake up tummy, wake up tummy and tickle, tickle, tickle. Wake up tummy, wake up tummy, wake up tummy in the morning. Great job, everyone. Good morning, and welcome to Baby Time. I'm so glad I get to sing with you all today. I think it's time for us to get out our spiders and sing the Itsy Bitsy spider together. Can you get out your spider at home? Good job. Here we go. The Itsy Bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy spider went up the spout again. Great job, everyone. Let's do our beehive rhyme. Now, this is one we brought back last week, but we used to do it about a year ago during our virtual story times, and it goes like this. Here is the beehive. Where are the bees? They're hidden away where nobody sees. Soon they'll come creeping out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A buzz, 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 buzz. Can you give a tickle with your bees? A buzz, 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 buzz. Good job. Let's try that one more time. Are you ready? Put your hand into a fist, or moms and dads and grandparents can put your hand into fists over baby too. It goes like this. Here is the beehive. Where are the bees? They're hidden away where nobody sees. Soon they'll come creeping out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A buzz, 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 buzz. Great job, everyone. Let's try our lullaby. Now, this was our springtime lullaby, and it's all about the rain falling down. Now, you can sing it louder and more upbeat at a different time if you want it to be a peppier song, but it's also a good calming down song, and you can use it by rubbing baby's back, too, as a way to soothe. So it goes like this. Rain is falling down, splash. Rain is falling down, splash. Pitter, patter, rain is falling down, splash. The sun is peeking out, peek. The sun is peeking out, peek. Peeking here, peeking there, the sun is peeking out, peek. The rain is falling down, splash. The rain is falling down, splash. Pitter patter, rain is falling down. Splash! Great job, everyone. That was excellent. And it's kind of a soothing thing for adults too. So maybe if you're having a stressful day, you might want to do that too and give a big rain is falling down stretch and give that whoosh noise. It makes you feel really good. All right, I think it's time for us to pretend to be a seed. Can you be a little seed? Can you make your hands into a seed? Be a seed. Oh, can you hear the construction outside? There's construction happening on this building and the one next to us. So there's some pretty cool machines going on. If you're in the area, you should come over and see the trucks on the move. All right, let's try to be a seed. Here we go. Be a seed, small and round, sprouting from the ground. Shake your limbs for all to see. Stretch your arms up. You're a tree. What do you think? Can you give a big stretch? Or if you have a little, can you give a big lift up in the air? You're a tree. Good job. Let's try that one more time. Ready? Be a seed, small and round, sprouting from the ground. Shake your limbs for all to see. Stretch your arms up. You're a tree. Good job, everyone. I think it's time for us to go put out a fire. What do you think? Should we go climb into our fire trucks? Here we go. Climb into your fire trucks, grab your steering wheel, and let's drive. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Ding, 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 ding. Hurry, hurry, turn the corner. Hurry, hurry, turn the corner. Hurry, hurry, turn the corner. Ding, 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 ding. Hurry, hurry, climb the ladder. Hurry, hurry, climb the ladder. Hurry, hurry, climb the ladder. Ding, 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 ding. Hurry, hurry, spray the fire hose. Hurry, hurry, spray the fire hose. Hurry, hurry, spray the fire hose. Ding, 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 ding. Whew, we did it. We put out the fire. I think it's time for us to go back to the station. Can you get back in your fire truck? Grab back onto the steering wheel. Here we go. Slowly, slowly drive the fire truck. Slowly, slowly drive the fire truck. Slowly, slowly drive the fire truck. Ding, 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 ding. Great job, everyone. I think it's time for us to get out our scarves and do a little dancing. So if you don't have a scarf at home and you live in the area, you can come into the library and get a scarf and a shaky egg for free. But if not, you can use a mask or a washcloth or a burp cloth or even just wiggle your hands around. So we're going to talk about the weather today. What is the weather doing at your house today? Today, it's really sunny at the library. So let's start off with shaking our scarf on the ground and putting some sun on the grass. Here we go. The sun is on the grass. The sun is on the trees. The sun is on the roof, but it's not on me. Good job, everyone. Now, over the weekend, it was really rainy. So let's try some rain on the grass. Can you shake your scarf for some rain? The rain is on the grass. The rain is on the trees. The rain is on the roof, but it's not on me. Good job, everyone. And maybe it's a really windy day at your house. So let's put some wind down on the grass. The wind is on the grass. The wind is on the trees. The wind is on the roof, but it's not on me. Great job, everyone. I think it's time for us to sing our popcorn kernels song. Are you ready to pop some popcorn? Here we go. Popcorn kernels, in the pot, in the pot. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, till they pop, till they pop. Can you toss whatever you're holding into the air with a good pop? Good job. Pop. Let's try that one more time. Are you ready? Popcorn kernels, popcorn kernels, in the pot, in the pot. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, till they pop, till they pop. Good job, everyone. Let's put our scarves away and get ready for the wheels on the bus. Can you get out your wheels at home? Here we go. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The driver of the bus says, move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver of the bus says, move on back, all through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 all through the town. The parents on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The parents on the bus go shh, 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 all through the town. Great job, everyone. Let's do our last song before our story, Zoom, Zoom, Zoom. And at the end, don't forget, after the countdown, if you have a little, give them a big lift up. And if you're big, give a jump at the end. Here we go. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Good job, everyone. Did you give a jump at home? Let's jump together. Ready? Blast off! Good job. Let's sing that song one more time. Here we go. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Good job, everyone. Let's end with a story. And today's story is Baby Botanist. Baby Botanist. And if you end up liking this story, there are a couple different books in this series. Baby Astronaut and Baby... Oh, maybe it says on the back. Oh, yes, Baby Astronaut and Baby Oceanographer. So you would be able to find those probably at your local library or get them for yourself if you like them. This is Baby Botanist by Dr. Lawyer Gehl and illustrated by Daniel Wiseman. Let's see. Can you see what that baby's doing? The baby's watering plants. And there's all kinds of plants. There's flowers and cactuses, maybe even, I don't know what that is, maybe even a vegetable there. Who studies plants? Baby Botanist does. There's Baby Botanist. Baby plants a seed. What kind of plant will grow? Might it be fruit or a cactus or a vegetable? I wonder what will grow. Some plants are big with long roots, just like a tree with long, long roots. Some plants are tiny with no roots at all. Some plants grow in the water, like a lily pad. Hello, frog. You're not a plant, silly frog. Other plants grow underground. Can you see what this is? This is something that we eat. What kind of plant is this? It's a carrot. Nom, nom. I love carrots. Hello, worm. Hey, worm, you're not a plant either. Studying plants makes Baby very hungry. Baby's favorite food all come from plants. Can we see what Baby's eating? Let's see. There's carrots and peas, pasta and strawberries, banana and orange and cherries. What's up here? What's Baby have on the table? An apple? Oh, and do you know this one? This one's a tricky one. It's a pineapple. Noodles come from wheat, and wheat grows from seeds. Peas grow in pods. Each pea is a seed. Look, the pea pod has 1, 2, 3 seeds inside. Even chocolate comes from plants, cocoa trees, and sugar cane. Baby seeds need water, and baby seeds need sunlight. Look, water from a watering can and sunlight from the sun. Baby seed grew into a flower for Mama. Oh, thank you, Baby Botanist. The end. Great listening, everyone. I hope you all have a wonderful week filled with great stories and lots of playing outside. And I can't wait to see you all next week. Bye-bye.